Hello there, welcome to channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own avatar on Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat. After opening, you will be taken to this interface where your camera is open. Now to create your own avatar, you can see the person icon on the top left corner of your phone beside the search option. Just tap there, and after that you can see the create my avatar option over here. So when you tap on there, your front camera will open and Snapchat will link your avatar. Okay, to do that, let's hit on our create my avatar button over here. Tap there, and you can select the male over here or female on your gender. And after that, Snapchat will start to sync your picture and create an anime. So you can select your pictures from different options from over here. You can see all these options over here, and I think I'll go with this one. Let's continue, and after selecting that, you can see the continue option over here. Tap there, and after that you can see all the skin colors, which you should pick if you want to, but if not, you can just save it. Yes, and next we are going to pick an outfit. After that, you can see all these outfits over here. You can try just select whichever you like or whichever you prefer. So I'll be going with this one, I think, and let's save it. You can and there guys, our avatar has been successfully created on Snapchat. And creating your avatar on Snapchat is this easy. And if you have any questions or confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.